How to add AI chatbot to your Squarespace website. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an AI chatbot to your Squarespace step by step. Now, so whether you are running a business site or a portfolio or even an online store, adding a chatbot can save time. It can answer a common question automatically and improve customer experience even while you sleep. And the best part, you don't need to code or be a tech expert. I will walk you through everything which is free AI chatbot tools you can use, how to connect with them Squarespace, and how to make sure that chatbot actually matches your website design. Stay with me till the end. Now, first thing first, what you have to do is just simply come over this website on Squarespace and log in with your account. After logging in, you will get to see this. You have to create a website, so where you can add that AI chatbot. So I have already created a website. As you can see here, this is my just small website. This is just for tutorial and not created for a business purpose. Just this is just for tutorial purposes. So I have used my trial. So it will end after the 14 days. You can start trial yours as well. Just sign up with it. And now after the creation of your website, what you have to do is head over to LSAFE site where you can get your AI chatbot for free. So yeah, let's click on the first link. Now over here you have to add your email. Just simply click on the start, get started for free, no credit card needed. Click on it, start site. Now with the free plan you can use only one widgets per type, so one chatbot is totally free. With some message view are limits, I will explain it later. Now I have to upgrade if I want to get a new widget. So what I will do, I will just simply go with my new account. This is just for tutorial purposes. You don't need to uh, create lots of accounts. Just simply click on it and click on the start. Now it will take you to sign up page where you can sign up with your Google account. Just simply give access of your Gmail. So we have successfully, I think we have successfully logged in L site. So as you can see here, now after that what you have to do is just simply search for catalog. As you can see here, once you are logged in, click your profile picture and go to catalog, then search for chatbot. Just simply click on it and go for it. Now what you have to do, in the right side you will get, there is a search bar where you can find AI chatbot. Just simply click on it, and then what you have to do is select the chatbot option. This tool lets you to create a virtual assistant trained on your site and content to answer visitor. Now for the start you have to choose a template, like they have lots of templates to choose. So I will choose this one, assistant bot. Now just simply click on the continue. Now you have to give your website URL. For this tutorial, what I will do, I will just show a squarespace.com just for this tutorial, because I don't have a separate domain. So I'll just copy that and paste it over here. Click on it, analyze it. Now it will take a few seconds to analyze and retrieve website details. Now the give more few seconds. So we have successfully added our website in. You have to enter your original website domain name. So I just for the training I have added that squarespace.com. Now what you can do is just simply train your bot. You can add your files, question and answer and text box. If you go into file, you can have to upload your file. just simply click on the upload if you have made already in a file related to train this state to train this AI. Now if you go into question and answer, you can give an input like a common questions and answer. For example, if someone asks what is your name, the answer will be going to my name is Michael, and click on done. So it will create a common question. So whenever someone uh, ask a question about what is your name, so it will going to give this answer. So you can add multiple questions like what you do. I do nothing. So click on done and you can use it. Now if you go into text blogs, you can provide detailed information about your business, product and services. You can add multiple text blocks to organize knowledge by topics or category. Just simply click on it and here you can add your text related to your businesses. So it will train on this text, question, answer and the file. Now if you go into behavior, from display you can ask like after the first response, it will give to better assist, please fill in your details below. Click on the customization. You have It will ask for name, phone number and email. Thank you for your name, detail received, how can I assist you. Thank you for detail received, how you can assist further. Now if you go for follow-up message, so you can see, you can come over here and just see. Now this is the instruction. You can this instruction tells the assistant about your business and its role. It guides how the assistant should be handle customer question, but its responses will be rely on the knowledge base you provide. So yeah, that's it about instruction. If you go into greeting, so if you want to change a greeting message, you can change as well. Now if you want to give a quick reply, how do I start my free trial, for example this one, as you can see just these three options. Now if you want to add one more question, hello, you can just simply, as you can see here in the right side, it will add again. Now greeting display about chatbot, you can customize where the chat will be seen, as you can see here. Just now if you go into general settings, the display name will be virtual assistant. If you want to give a different name, you can give that too. Now if you want a bubble icon like this, you can change the icon from here, and you can change from library, you can upload from your computer, you can remove it as well. Now the bubble position will be in the right side. Now if you want to move into left, it will be in the left. So for this tutorial I will be positioning it in the right. Now owner email is this one, send chat history to email. If you want to give a footer, you can give that too. Language, time zone, there are lots of things to customize. If you want to change the theme, you can change it as well. As you can see, if you want to change the color to purple, this is how you can customize. After the customization, what you have to do is just simply click on the publish in the top right corner, so it will publish. Now it will ask you to choose a plan. So I will, for this tutorial I will choose the select free version, but if you are handling a big business, so you can, I will suggest you to buy a premium version like pro. So in the free version you can give only 50 messages, 20 views, and it will store like 1 million character storage. Now if you go into the $4 plan, it will give 300 messages. So it's totally up to you. If you want to buy, you can buy. Now for this tutorial I will just simply select on this. Now after the publication you will get to see this code. Just simply copy this code and let's get back to our website where we can add our, this AI chatbot. Now in the left side you will get to see there is an option which is says edit. Click on edit. It will take you to the editor of this website. Now if you want to change the Section, you can change it as well. Now what I will do, I will just simply add a section. Now add a blank section or saved section. Now I will just choose add blank section. Wait for a few seconds. So we have successfully added a section and click on the add. Now over here you have to choose the embed. Now in the embed, what you have to do is click on this edit pencil icon and click on the code snipped, and over here you have to click on the embed data, paste it over here, click on get back and save it. Now custom feature image, if you want to add, you can add. Now we have successfully added our embedded data. Now what you have to do, this block is contained embedded script. It is disabled now. What you have to do is just simply click on the preview in safe mode. So please view the page after the logging out for accurate rendering. Now wait for a few seconds, it will give you the rendered version. So that's it, how you can add your chatbot into your Squarespace website. And yeah, if this helped you, then drop a like, and thanks for watching.